Tomorrow is Come Get to Know Us Day at the Pennsylvania State Police Barracks in West Hazelton. Trooper David Peters is a public information officer with the State Police.
We're going to have different displays there, such as a helicopter, as well as our CERT individuals, which would be our SWAT team guys, CARS unit, K-9, patrol vehicle, as well as a recruiter. There to just allow people to come and get to see us in a non-stressful environment, ask any questions they may have, really see the resources that the state police have that we utilize in the community for their safety. We look forward to meeting a whole bunch of people. We hope the kids want to come and see what's going on and just, again, meet us in a positive environment.
Why is that important for people to get to know their state troopers?
I think they get to understand us as that they see us as individuals just like themselves. We're not just there in bad times. We don't have to be just there in bad times. And this is programs like this, or the things that we do at Coffee with a Cop and things like that. Even this show, letting people insight into us that we want to be there for them whenever they may need us, whether that's in a time of crisis or just to, say hello to their children or say hello to them or provide them with information that helps protect them from being a victim.
Come Get to Know Us Day is tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. at the State Police Barracks in the Velmont Industrial Park, just off Route 93 in West Hazelton.